I feel slightly sorry for the rv8tors because, having volunteered to accompany Vulcan in, it took a little longer than they had anticipated because nobody ever gets to practice those things. So they've now lost a bit of their own display time. So they're not going to have as long a display as we thought they might. But they're going to follow each other through a few loops to start with. Alistair Kay in the lead and Andy Hill behind him. These rv8s are made by an American company, a kit aircraft manufacturer called Van's Aircraft, founded by Richard Van Grunsven, based in Oregon. So you make these yourself. It's an affordable home-built aircraft. And Pete Wells, who runs a company called Zulu Glass Tech, which deals in fiberglass, is very good at making these airplanes. I think he's made 3 so far. So this is sadly not quite the choreographed display that we would normally see from the rv8tors, as they've had to cut it a bit short, but nonetheless very graceful. Twisting to the right, lovely tight formation. These two met about 3 years ago at a fly-in at Compton Abbas. They had something in common. They both owned these rv8s, and they discovered they had similar intentions. They wanted to create a new and different airshow act. Because Alistair Kay in the lead aircraft has flown some storming routines for the old flying machine company in the P-51 Mustang and Spitfire. He's been UK gliding champion 8 times, held lots of gliding records. And Andy Hill is an ex-Royal Air Force Harrier instructor, renowned formation and advanced flying instructor. He displays the Hunter and the Jet Provost. He's a light aircraft test pilot, which is useful. He and his wife, Ellie, built their aircraft. Took them 2 years, and rolling. And the one that they built is the blue one at the back there. And they're very proud to continue their successful support of the aviation charity Fly to Help. They have logos on the aircraft. That aims to lift the horizons of people of all ages through the medium of flight. Over the last 5 years, Fly to Help has shared over 1,000 air smiles with people facing life-limiting and chronic illnesses, or families who've suffered some form of tragedy. Air Smiles Days give the beneficiaries magical memories through a shared flying adventure. So, if you feel like helping these guys, you can contact the Fly to Help website. It's fly to help with a figure 2, flytohelp.org. And I think these rv8tors have shown exemplary self-sacrifice today by shortening their display. So congratulations to them.